World Food Safety Day. Food is important for life. To be healthy, the food we eat must be safe. The globalized food supply chain that we rely on is quite vulnerable to food safety risks, and it presents several challenges to us. Harmful contaminants in food make more than 600 million ill each year, and these illnesses can be prevented with good food safety practices. Apart from protecting consumers' health, food safety also contributes to food security, trade, tourism, and sustainable development. World Food Safety Day, celebrated under the theme Safer Food for Better Health, presents us with a unique opportunity to raise awareness about the importance of food safety. From farm to plate, we all have a role to play in making food safe, and we share the responsibility. Let us join hands to make our world a better place to live.